Hi guys, it's Kristi time. I decided to record myself straightening my hair because I haven't recorded anything in a couple months and we're in quarantine, so I decided it's a good time. Here I am using my Tresemme used by professionals heat protection. It protects up to 450 degrees. I am spraying it all over my hair just in case. I also spray it in my hair after I get out of the shower along with a couple other products. But here I am looking for my clips and my little comb because I lost it and I think I left it in the other room. But in this clip you can see how I split my hair. I pretty much split where I like my bangs all the way down the middle. See, I turn around and I'm splitting it right down the middle just because it's a little easier to straighten that way. I'm going to grab a scrunchie and I'm going to tie up the hair that I'm not going to be straightening at the moment. So, tying it up. Okay, and right here I am splitting right above my ear just because it's a little easier to portion that way. And I'm twisting my hair and I'm clipping it up. Cool. And we're going to see me go super fast with my Rusk Heat Freak Staightener. That's me showing it off. It's my first professional heat straightener. So I was really proud of it, and here is my mat that I rest my straightener on, and I pack it in because you can pack it in there as well. And I'm about to show you my trash can that I always keep by me in case I have little falls, little hair falls. So, yeah, cool. And we are going to continue on. So here I split my hair into smaller pieces just so that I can get a good straighten out of it, and I make sure to brush through with my comb really well. And here I am showing you how I put my finger on the front, finger on the back, and thumb wrapped around the back as well. I'll turn around in just a second to show you. Cool. Okay, so I'm grabbing my straightener that is on right now. You can tell it's on a little orangey red dot, and I am placing it nearest to my roots and then all the way down, sliding it. And most of the time I try to only slide it once, but down in the springs for some reason it was really humid, so my ends were not cooperating the way that I like them to. So throughout the video you're gonna see me going through the ends quite a bit more, even though you're not really supposed to do that. So here I am wrapping my fingers around with a comb, and I'm gonna run the straightener through again all the way down. So, oh, okay. And you see that my brown hair is actually fading into the blonde that it was, just because my hairstylist used more of a demi-permanent color, just because I'm like super weird about my hair and I can't make a decision, so she thought that I was gonna want to go blonde after I went brown. So, but I'm really liking the brown right now, and I think I want more of a permanent brown color, but I haven't decided like what kind of brown. So yeah, and throughout the video, oh, okay, 1 second. So you see how I just split it over my ear? I split it over my ear that way just because it's easier and we can get more of the little waves that way. But I'm going to start splitting it the same way again, like that I was doing earlier, just like now. But anyway, so you can see that my hair is kind of orangey at the top, then it goes to more of a blondish brown. So the orangey part was from my previous video, me using the L'Oreal dye, and it's just popping on through. The color that my hairstylist used to color it brown over that, like, stayed over it a little bit, but it's just started to fade away. So we will see what happens next. But I go on, I think the 17th, whatever the Saturday day is. But yeah, so we will see what we do next. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to stay brown. Well, okay, I'm 100% sure I'm going to stay brown. So here's me getting my tiny little baby hairs and then pushing them back. I'm only going over them a couple of times just because they're super annoying when they touch your face around your ear. And there's me showing off my, like, what it looks like with long and not long because of the curls. Cool. Alright, and here you can see I obviously use my mouth a lot whenever I straighten my hair. I try to use more of my lips instead of trying to get my slobber all over my hair, but sometimes it's hard to manage, so, but it is what it is. And it's just a lot easier than having like 20 clips, but that's just me, so don't come for me. But here I am splitting my hair some more, and I'm pretty much just going through and showing you how I do it. And so yeah, this is actually really good for me to look at the different portions of my hair and what it actually looks like, even though I straighten it maybe every 3 days, 2 days, and I can really see like the imperfections and stuff. And yeah, cool. So straightening and straightening, brushing and combing and brushing and combing. Cool, there's me. Half my head is curly, half my head is straight. Alrighty, in my mouth again. So, okay. Yeah, I'm just doing the upper portions of my hair. I wish it didn't take nearly as long, but maybe it's just the way that I split my hair up. So, but I'm just really weird about if there are any like bumps or waves left over in the hair. So that's why I keep on going over it. So yeah, just using the straightener. And if you want to like skip forward, you can, just because it's pretty much the same thing everywhere. Same thing the whole entire time. I just really wanted to show you guys how I split my hair, just because when I was younger it was really hard to figure out a good way to straighten my hair. And a lot of the time I wouldn't split it, I would just kind of like straighten it all over, and it would end up super, super poofy. So yeah, that's another reason why I decided to record this, just because I wanted to help people with who have really curly hair like me, curly, poofy, wavy hair. So, and this is my hair pretty much like air dried, but then also combed out, fluffed out, because I walked around like that too. And I didn't really care, you know, because I'm married. So, and Hayden thinks it's super cute whenever I have half curly, half straight, and he's like, "Oh, that's my personal thing that I see," but it's okay. He's fine. So cool. Keep on going. Coolio. Okay, so here's me showing off my half straight, half curly. I'm not sure why I tied it back up there, but I decided to take it down, and I split above my ear again, and I make sure the other part is either tied up or clipped up. I don't remember what I do here. Oh, yep, I grabbed the tie. It fell on the floor, so I grabbed it with my foot. But there's me throwing away some extra hair, and me putting my hair in my mouth and straightening it. Yeah. I don't know if anyone else does that, but I definitely do, obviously. Very obviously. But cool. Just showing you how I do it. Cool. And then we're splitting at the top. There you go. It's easier to kind of do it sideways at the top. Okay. Showing you stuff. Nice. At least some of these are just like a one-hit wonder, you know, like you just hit it once and then it's done, but some other ones aren't that way, unfortunately. So, cool. I'm using the Rusk. Okay, pulling it down. It's kind of weird too, because you can see my roots coming out as well, and when I went to my hairstylist, she lightened my roots, and she put a color over them, but I don't know how that my natural black hair came through that. So we'll see how the next time goes. Alrighty, getting towards the top. Cool. I split it more above my ear just because, like, the peace signs. It's just easier this way. Cool, you can see it going down. And that was a good shot of my roots too. But, but yeah. pulling it down. Whoa. It's raining. It's raining where I am right now. Okay. Getting towards the top. Wow. My no makeup face looks really, like, tired. Cool. Now getting towards the top. I like to split it a little bit more just so it's easier for myself. Getting in my mouth, putting over the top of the bun, and straightening it down. So, oh gosh, going over it so many times. You don't realize it until you actually see yourself doing it so many times. Okay. Okay, now doing the other side. And I think I just heard a siren there. That's probably why my face was weird there. But, cool. There we go. Almost done. Try to go over through that once. Oops, there's another one. Jesus. Myself. Cool. And I see we're seeing some more straight hair here. Okay. Now I'm trying to comb it down, make it even, and I'm splitting it right in half there. And I think I'm gonna tie that. Okay, fail. Fail again. Okay, no, it's fine. I guess I'm gonna keep that one. So.
You got it, love?
Okay. Cool. Now I'm splitting that, putting it in my mouth.
You got it, love?
Same thing. Oh, it looks like Hayden was talking to me there. Cool. And
What was
splitting that. And
Why?
I am
Like ours? What do you say?
going through it. And this is where Hayden was asking me what I was doing, and I said we are in a cool bathroom right now, so I wanted to record. And he's gonna come over in just a little bit while I do this. There he is, his little arm, and he asked if I was recording right now, and I said yes, and he wanted a kiss on camera. So, there we go. He's so funny. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on finishing my hair here. I think the top part is the most important part just because it's like the hardest part to do, you know, so I wanted to really show you how I do it. So I just go through it, still going through it, and I'm splitting it more. Splitting it. I think next time I'm going to have more of a solid brown color. That's what I really want. I don't want to have like different colors in my hair anymore, just because I'm like sick and tired of it, and like being in quarantine I saw it every day and I did not like it at all. Like I did not feel pretty. So there's that. But yeah, and this is like maybe a month and a half after I got it done, maybe 2 months, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I don't remember. I'd have to actually go check my phone. Ugh, I don't know what I'm making the face for. So, cool. Get into the bangs. Here, I split it in my mouth. There's Hayden again. What is he doing? I don't remember what he was doing. There, but yeah. Cool. Gonna almost be done. Cool. I'm one-eyed wonder. One-eyed girl wonder. And you see how I split it there? It's just easier that way. I think I'm gonna do it forward. I'm gonna do it once backwards. Nope, didn't do it there. I think it's on this one. I think it's mostly like the main bangs that I do that, just so like I straighten it once forward and then I straighten it backwards, just to kind of like curl it inward or outward, whatever way it goes. So, did I do it here? Yep, I'm doing it here. I'll show you. Okay, backwards it is. Boom, 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 shoo. Okay, and I'm gonna keep on repeating until I'm done. Put it in my mouth. See the face I made? I knew it would be weird to you guys, but that's okay. That's how I do it. Totally see my roots there, but it's blending in way better than obviously that other color I had that you guys saw. So, okay. And this is like my first voiceover too, so I decided to do it rather than like the other video that didn't have it. Okay. Doing it forward. I don't think I'm going to do it this time. Maybe. Oh, nope, I'm doing it. Wow. Cool. Okay. And I hate when my bangs have like little scraggly pieces, so I try to straighten them like a couple times, which is not good, but it's okay. Cool. Just about done. Forward and oops, forward again. I think they were kind of stuck to my forehead because I was sweating. Normally when you straighten your hair for such a long time you start to sweat, so it sucks. That's why I'm wearing a tank top. Anyway, cool. This is my finished product. I'm gonna wear my bangs one more time because they're kind of gross and icky. And right here, I am using my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I use it when my hair is wet, but then I also use it like right after I do my hair. I forgot to open it. Oops, my bad. Okay, so I normally do 2 pumps, but I think I did 3 here just because it was so like weirdly humid / dry out. It was so weird. Colorado is so weird. So, and I'm putting it more towards the ends right here, but then after I put most of it towards the ends, I will run it through my bangs and then throughout my hair just so everything is not as staticky and more soft. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, and we're still running it through my hair because I have a lot of it on my hands. So, and here I am just going to flip my hair, and I normally put it in a ponytail. Yep, I'll do it here. I'm going to put it in a ponytail just so that my bangs stay flipped backwards while I get my face done for the day. But my normal doing my face nowadays is just literally wash my face, do mascara. So, ooh, I left out a piece. Grab it, Kristi. There you go. Grabbed it. Cool. And I'm tying it out of my face. So, and I do it up weird like that just so that I don't get those weird marks. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye!